Hello everyone, welcome to I'm a Cooker channel. Today we are going to make DeSoto's special quick and easy homemade chicken sandwich. And it's easy to make with little less of ingredients. And I've added the ingredients in the description box. Now let's get started. The first step we are going to do is, I've taken a chicken breast and then I'm going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now my chicken is cooked. I'm going to cut it into small pieces and we are going to shred the chicken. Now I have finished shredding my chicken, and to this we are going to add all the ingredients. I have chopped up some celery, finely chopped. We're going to put that in. Some dried cranberries. A little bit of cilantro. Mayonnaise. And some pepper. Now let's mix everything together. Now my chicken stuffing is ready. Now let's put it inside a toasted bread. Now your DeSoto famous quick and easy homemade chicken sandwich is ready. Let's try it. It's very tasty and it's a healthy dish, and the kids would love it because you are making it with little bit of ingredients and the taste is so good. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you.